Hi, I thought we'd start easy with Activity 1, just a little brief tour about how the site works, okay? We're going to cover My Home versus Course Home, the Navbar, the welcome box, content, and accessing help. So we talked in an intro video before that the My Home is a landing page. As soon as you log into alcdsb.elearningontario.ca, this is what you see, and I could have a news item from the board here, and tells you what course is available to you, and an updating calendar here. So I'm going to go into a course, and now I'm into a course home. Course home, I can move in my nav bar somewhere else, and I can always get back to my course home by clicking on here or up here as well. So within my course home, I can then see some news items, a calendar of what's going to happen, some updates, and there's a content browser here as well. If I go back to my course content, I can see it's broken down into modules, frequently asked questions, and this has a Unit 1 orientation course. Your actual course may have a Unit 2, a Unit 3, a Unit 4, and the teacher has a choice to either release it all to you, or they can say you can't see Unit 2 until Unit 1 is completed, and so they can put restrictions in that way. Okay, that brings us back to the nav bar. So let's run it across the top here, and I can float between course content, class list, Dropbox where I'm assigning stuff, and I have some other tools like getting straight to my email or quizzes or discussions if I want to right from here. So that's our navigation bar. The last one I want to look at is this welcome box, and I can do account settings. Now the account settings change password doesn't change your school board email or password, and it's only a D2L password, which we're not even using, so that's not going to help. But in the email, I would suggest changing this show the message preview pane. It just makes life a little bit easier, and the discussions that also usually get rid of the show the preview pane. Okay, but the more important one from this welcome box is the progress tool. And the progress tool, remember, breaks things down to say if they were using grades, what the grades are, but also the content. And remember, if you can see this, your teacher can see this. So this test student only spent 3 minutes and 43 seconds on this activity, and 2 minutes on that activity, 1 minute on that activity. I can see their discussions, how many have been authored, how many have been read, how many have been replied to in their Dropbox, their quizzes, and also I like this one, clicking right on login history to say when the person logged in. And remember, if you're absent from 3 days from your course, you'll get an automatic email to your D2L email saying you've been absent for 3 days. That email will also go to your teacher and to the principal in case action has to be taken to find out where you are, because we can't be absent. So regular contact with your teacher makes the most sense. Finally, if you're looking for help, the best place to go is your class list and click on your teacher's name and email your teacher. As soon as you click on their name, it's going to launch an email, and you can email your teacher and ask them a question about what's going on in your course. That's the easiest way to do things.